The National Labour Commission has dragged the University Teachers Association to court over its failure to call off the strike. Members of UTAG laid down their tools about 16 days ago over what they say is government's failure to honor its obligation. Among other things, UTAG wants government to reconsider the payment of its annual research allowance and a restoration of the 2013 interim market premium. UTAG has also resolved to continue with the strike until a solution to their concerns has been provided. But the NLC will have none of that. Ofosua Samoa is the executive secretary.
Yes, that's true. We have had to take that hard decision to go to the High Court to enforce our directive. Yes, it's been 2 weeks since the Commission directed the striking workers to call off the strike and resume work whilst negotiation continues. Their representatives, that's the national executives, then appearing before the Commission, assured the Commission to abide by this directive. Unfortunately, they got back, and the opposite was the situation. And it's been 2 weeks, like I said, and the Commission cannot sit there, give directives, and watch it flouted. So we've had to take the hard decision of enforcing our decision, a directive in court.
Just for emphasis and clarity, you're saying that when UTAG appeared before you, it was clear that it was going to obey the directive of the NLC.
It was not only clear by conduct, but expressly said they were going to oblige. So it's unfortunate, you know.
So when can we expect you to file and head to court?
The process has been filed already, and it's been fixed for the 3rd of February.
UTAG is expected to respond to...
Yeah, to respond and appear before the court on the 3rd of February.
But the concern of UTAG is that you have not been fair to them in this process, which is why they have been quite adamant in adhering.
Of it will be determined by the court. If the court says we are not fair, we wholly accept it and apologize if need be. If we are fair to, then they should go back to the lecture hall and discharge their part of the bargain with their employers.
So the Graduate Students Association of the University of Ghana has issued a statement on this UTAG strike. They are asking government to expedite action on its negotiation with the association and also attend to their concerns. We'll be bringing you details of the statement. It says the Graduate Students Association of Ghana has noted with much concern and interest the protracted industrial strike by the University Teachers Association of Ghana, UTAG, which enters its 3rd consecutive week. The association would like to make the following statements concerning the strike action. We wish to passionately appeal to government to, as a matter of urgency, take immediate steps to meet the demands of UTAG to enable academic work resume. If the strike continues by statute, public universities would be compelled to shut down after 21 days of non-academic work. The negative impact of this impasse between government and the striking lecturers will not be felt by either of the parties involved as much as our members. Our research work have come to a standstill, tutorials and lectures have come to a halt. Academic work in general is in limbo, delaying the professional progress of our members. While we plead with government to expedite steps to call off the strike, we humbly appeal to UTAG to consider the plight of our members and resume work. It has the potential of affecting the academic calendar of the universities. Would also, through this medium, encourage all university students and researchers to stay calm, continue to learn and do all that is required of them as GRASAC, in collaboration with all other student associations, continue to advocate for the rights of students. It is the hope of GRASAC that government will respond swiftly to the resolution of this feud for academic work to be restored as soon as possible.